Yeah, when I was about 46, I noticed that my hair had started receding. The whole thing, the whole experience was just excellent. I mean, it couldn't have been any better. It was almost an enjoyable experience. He really made the day a fun day. Nobody really noticed. This isn't even 6 months yet, and it's growing pretty fierce. I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others. In fact, I already have recommended him to several people on my staff. And I'd like to thank the entire staff here. Everybody was absolutely brilliant.
Didn't really have any before pictures, and so coming in to take a look at the pictures, it's amazing. It's unbelievable. Honestly, there was no pain. After about 2 or 3 months is when they kind of started noticing. They're like, and it almost seems like almost every week or every other week I'm getting comments like, "Wow, like it's amazing that and I'm like, yeah, and they're telling me this is just the beginning." So.
Hair loss began in my early 20s. I felt confident that the procedure would work. I feel there was no pressure in making a decision. It was basically an education, and basically my hair grew back very gradually and naturally. The results achieved were better than expected. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I know. Be very honest about what their expectations could be. I came back today to thank Dr. Bolton and his staff, and I felt the best of care.
I've been a hairstylist for over 38 years. My hair falling out, so I was very concerned. Unbeknownst to me, I have a friend of mine that knows Dr. Bolton and Josh very well. We were just having dinner one night and the conversation came up. The results beyond my expectations ever. That has a lot to do, I believe, with Dr. Bolton. The process is easy. Of course, Josh always will support you and stand by you. If anybody is thinking about doing any kind of hair restoration, this is something that I would, how can I say, is a gift from God in my mind.